Welcome back to Autoverse Reviews. Today we're diving into the thrilling future of performance with two remarkable supercars, the 2026 Czinger 21C and the all-new 2026 Honda NSX. These machines aren't just fast. They represent two completely different philosophies of speed, design, and innovation. Let's start with the Czinger 21C, a hypercar born in California and designed by AI. Yes, you heard that right. Artificial intelligence played a major role in crafting this beast. The 2026 model continues Zinger's mission to redefine what a performance car can be, combining cutting-edge 3D printing technology with a hybrid powertrain that's out of this world. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the driver, is a 2.88-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with two electric motors. Together, they generate an astonishing 1,350 horsepower, launching the 21C from 0 to 60 mph in just 1.9 seconds. Top speed? Over 250 miles per hour. This isn't just fast, it's spacecraft fast. The design is unlike anything else on the road. With a jet fighter-style tandem seating layout, carbon fiber everywhere, and razor-sharp aerodynamics, the 21C looks like it belongs on a racetrack from the future. Every curve and line is optimized for performance. Even the parts you can't see are 3D printed for maximum strength and minimum weight. Czinger isn't chasing tradition. They're building the next chapter in hypercar history. Limited to just 80 units worldwide, the 21C is rare, radical, and absolutely revolutionary. Now let's switch gears to something equally exciting, but in a completely different way. The 2026 Honda NSX. Honda's NSX has always been about balance, blending precision engineering, daily usability, and supercar thrills. And for 2026, the NSX returns with a refined design, a more powerful hybrid setup, and a renewed focus on driver engagement. At the heart of the new NSX is a turbocharged V6 engine, combined with 3 electric motors, delivering a total of 650 horsepower. It's not just about straight-line speed. The NSX is engineered for sharp handling, perfect weight distribution, and an intelligent all-wheel drive system that adapts to every curve and condition. The design of the 2026 NSX is sleek and modern, with flowing lines, active aerodynamics, and a low, aggressive stance. It's unmistakably a supercar, but with the subtle elegance Honda is known for. Inside you'll find a driver-focused cockpit with a mix of leather, Alcantara, and digital displays, blending performance and luxury effortlessly. But what really sets the NSX apart is its approachability. It's a car you can drive to the track, dominate your laps, and then comfortably cruise home. It bridges the gap between daily driver and dream car. So how do these two titans compare? The Czinger 21C is an all-out hypercar, pushing the limits of design, performance, and technology. It's extreme, exclusive, and unlike anything else on the road. The Honda NSX, on the other hand, is the refined warrior, blending cutting-edge hybrid tech with real-world usability. It's a supercar you can trust, whether you're attacking corners or enjoying a weekend drive. Both represent the future, but from very different angles. Which one would you choose? The raw, AI-crafted speed of the Czinger 21C, or the everyday, supercar precision of the Honda NSX? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this head-to-head future showdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more high-octane reviews, right here on Autoverse Reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next drive.